Okay, in today's video, we will continue from the previous video. After wrapping the Metahuman model onto the target mesh, we split it apart and then saved the separated head and body models as OBJ files. When saving, we use the default coordinate system for OBJ files, where the y-axis points upward, the x-axis points to the right, and the negative z-axis points forward. However, when we import it into Unreal Engine later, to create our custom Metahuman, this default orientation won't work. In other words, having the y-axis pointing upward won't work. The z-axis must point upward, with the x-axis pointing to the right and the y-axis pointing forward, just like in Blender. Alright, so now we'll reprocess the model we exported earlier to prepare for the subsequent Metahuman. Creation. Let's get started. First, let's import the two models we generated earlier. This is the head model. And this is the body model. Let's open these two files. We'll leave this one as is. Due to the unit settings, it's in centimeters, it appears quite large. Let's select the head first. Then select Export, again as an OBJ file. Let's rename it here. I'll name it SUP. This indicates that its top is Z. Then here, make sure to check this box and uncheck this. Make sure to check Apply Transform, because once you apply the transform, its Z-axis will point upward. Uncheck the Material option. Just keep this box checked. Pay attention to this. After applying the transform, you don't need to perform any further transformations here. It must be consistent with Blender with Y forward and Z upward. Then Export. Similarly, we'll do the same for the body. We'll name it Body Zeus. Leave the settings as they were last time. Export. OK, let's verify this by creating a new document. Delete it, then import the files we just generated. One is head Z up and the other is body Z up. Now pay attention here, since we've already aligned the coordinates with Blender's, we'll apply no transformation here. We'll keep them consistent, since our y-axis also points forward. Then import. Take a look. Since we're consistent with Blender, the location, rotation, and scale are all set to their default values, meaning the model coordinates and world coordinates are completely aligned, with no translation, no rotation, and no scaling. So this is its original state. OK. X to the right, Y forward, Z upward, which is Blender's coordinate orientation. This way, it can be used directly when imported into Unreal Engine later. We can also use MeshLab to verify this. in MeshLab. Open the file we just created. One is the head model and the other is the body model. Click Open. Take a look. We'll turn on the coordinate display. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. Let's rotate it to take a look. Take a close look. X is to the right, Y is forward, and Z is up. Everything is correct. No issues. All right, that wraps up today's video. See you in the next one.